Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Glow Fashion Idol for iOS and Android. So this will give you unlimited money. So it's pretty cool. So just go to hexmods.com, find the Glow Fashion Idol, press on it. Now before the mod downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free. And then the Glow Fashion Idol mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading. And it's just going to say missing files. So just pick 2 of them. Travel Town or TikTok, whatever, press on them. So like press continue, and then it will take you to the App Store, and you just gotta download it and reach like level 10 or something. So for instance, with this one, it was reached level 10. So I'm just playing through it. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool. So yeah, you just gotta do 2 of these apps, and then you'll get the Glow Fashion Idol mod. Whatever. You got TikTok, all these different apps. Mode Casino. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how to get the modded version for your device so you can get rich on Glow Fashion Idol. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this game because it's super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to share it. Just make sure you go to settings, keep that low power off, background refresh on. Other than that, I think you're good to go, but I'll see you later. So be sure to subscribe and peace out. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, just download 2 of the apps. And then the website is, remember, hexmods.com. So just go over there, type in Glow Fashion Idol, and then you can get the modded version. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is crazy and it's legit, so you guys can give it a try and get rich on it. And it's 2027 approved.